Number 31, the figure on the left above shows a wheel with a mark on its rim. The wheel is rolling on the ground at a constant rate along a level straight path from a starting point to an ending point. The graph of y equals d of t on the right could represent which of the following is a function of time from when the wheel began to roll. Explain. So this one, there's no actual math involved. You're just kind of reasoning your way through the answer choices. They are showing this function here. They label that there's time on the bottom. You can see the wheel as it's rolling. This is the mark that they're referring to. The first option is, does this curve here represent the speed at which the ball is rolling? It tells us that it's moving at a constant rate. So if it's not moving at a constant rate, then the speed really should be constant. So shouldn't see these kind of changes. We don't really have any other information about kind of the speed, so I would rule that one out. The distance of the wheel from its starting point, don't have any information in terms of how far this wheel is going or how far they're pushing it, so I would rule that out as well. The distance of the mark on the rim from the center of the wheel, that is going to stay, again, constant all the way around. The radius stays the same of the circle all the way out. So the distance from the center of the wheel to the mark of the rim is always going to stay the same. So that kind of leaves us with the distance of the mark on the rim from the ground. All right, and if we look at that, if you're looking at the ground, the mark here at the beginning is going to be furthest from the ground. And if we kind of match that over with the graph, this is our highest amplitude here. And then as the wheel is rolling, it's going to dip down and then going to be touching the ground. And then it's going to roll back up further, moving further away from the ground, and then come back furthest from the ground and then roll back down, touch the ground, roll back up furthest. So that distance of the mark from the ground, does match this kind of curve. You kind of think of, our mark here kind of unraveling, if the wheel's kind of unraveling as you turn it. So that's the one that kind of fits best.